Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews, and today we take a look at a few items that were sent to me by Carved. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at a few items that were sent to me by a company called Carved. Now this company reached out to me, and they wanted to collab, so they told me that they make a wide variety of products such as phone cases, again wireless chargers, knives, wallets, etc. like that. So they asked if I could do a video, and I said sure, send me like maybe a few items and I can go ahead and talk about them, and I'll go ahead and share the links in my video just so you guys can check that out. And first of all, like, big shout out to them. Again, you can find them on their social medias down here at carve.com. And again, I think I can actually open this. I'm not 100% sure if there's anything in here, but looks like there's something. Let's go ahead and check that out really quick. I always love to do unboxings. And by the way, if you guys are wondering which video or what I'm using to record, I'm recording on the Pixel 6a. So again, shout out to Team Pixel, by the way. And it's a cool little sticker. They sent me a cool little sticker, and then they put, "Love it. We worked hard on this, and we hope you love it as much as we do. Tell the world about it and what you think about it on social media." So I will be making a few posts on my social media accounts on there. And then naturally unique Carve. Again, big shout out to John Weber, the founder. Everyone has a story, so again, we'll just go ahead and put that aside for now. But the main one I wanted to look at was the one for my iPhone 13 Pro. So I did tell them I did have an iPhone 13 Pro, so they did send me a case for it. And just so you guys know, when you guys get this stuff mailed to you, this is at least what they sent it to me in. They sent me in this like nice little satchel bag, and you can actually use it for other things. So they sent me a few of these, so I have that. They also sent me a knife, which we'll get unboxing, and then they also sent me a wireless charger, so, and maybe a wallet. I'm not 100% sure what's in there. I need to double check. But let's go ahead and get my iPhone case set up. So as you can see here, again, the back pattern is wooden, and that's pretty much their I guess their shtick is wooden items with like a more natural look, which I think is pretty cool. I think something like somebody that is maybe into woodwork, or someone that's in construction, or even just someone that does any type of carpentry work would love something like this, just because look at it, like it, I mean, it mimics I guess what wood is. And I don't know if this is actual wood. I need to actually look into that. Most likely it is, because it does feel pretty like solid. But again, going from there, let's check out the next item here. And again, I will link all the items in here for you guys. So again, this one is the Carved knife. So let's see, I don't even know how to open this. Okay, you do it from the back here. And what does it say in the back here? Hold on real quick. It says EDC pocket knife, titanium handle, 440cc stainless steel blade, and frame lock. And again, it says 1 of 1. So I don't know if I got like the first ever one. That would be pretty cool. But let's go ahead and see if we can get this open now. And here's the pocket knife. Again, it's kind of matching with what you see here on the phone case. So again, pretty cool. You can have a matching set here. If I can get this out, my left arm is still kind of tough to grab, and just so you guys know, there's nothing else in there, so just a heads up. Nice box for the knife, by the way. So again, this will probably be my new unboxing knife, you know what I mean? Hopefully I don't cut myself. But very small knife. Let me go ahead and just touch the tip there. I mean, it is a knife. It is kind of sharp, right? And this is a nice little pocket knife. I mean, anyone that works in an area where they need a knife, again, look at the texture on that. And it just feels really good. It feels really solid in the hand as well. I don't know if it has any other tools besides just the knife. It does have a nice little clip right here on the actual thing, so you can clip it to like a belt holder if you want, or some sort of like utility belt, right, if you guys were to do that, right? And again, I know that they have like security measures to keep this knife like in place, and I need to figure out how to put it down, but for now I guess I'll just leave it like that, you know what I mean? Usually you'll see like the knives will have like a little ridge on the inside to bring the knife back down, so I'll have to definitely figure that out before I stab myself or I hurt myself. But let's go ahead and put that down for now. And the last item, again, and we'll go ahead and leave those two other items out here. is the phone charger. So I believe it's a phone charger, and it just came like this. It didn't come in any other type of packaging. It came in bubble wrap. So again, I really want to thank the people that decided to reach out to me and send this out. Again, really appreciate it. Oh, okay, hold on. What is this? It looks like it's 2 items. Oh, okay. It looks like it's a little charging brick for the actual little wireless Qi charger. And again, more you get more stuff over here, more little stickers and stuff like that. Pretty cool. But again, you get this, which is a wireless Qi charger. I don't know what the specific wattage on that is. I really need to look at the website here and then check that out. And again, I'm just scrolling through the website. They have various cases, etc., like that, so you have to look into that. But here's the charger itself. Again, it kind of follows the design of the knife, and it follows the design of the actual iPhone over here as well. So let's go ahead and get this undone and plugged in, and let's see if this actually works with the charger that I have over here, because I do have a charger plugged in. I do have a wireless Qi charger over here, but this might be a little bit easier. It does have a USB Type-C connector, so let me go ahead and plug that in down there, and we can go ahead and plug the iPhone into it, and you guys will know right away if it works or not. So let's go ahead and put it there, and let's go ahead and lay it right there. So you do know it works because my iPhone did make that little charge logo, and it does stick. So it's kind of like I guess it's a MagSafe charger. I didn't realize this I might end up using this this case. And the reason being is because I usually use a Spigen case, which has a MagSafe inside of it, so I didn't realize that this was a MagSafe charging case as well, which is pretty cool, and it's a cool added little feature that you get. Now, of course, keep in mind again, usually I feel like the MagSafe chargers take a little bit longer to charge on there. So but anywho, I mean, again, I do want to give check that out. I do want to give Carved a shout out, again, for sending me these items. And again, I'll be posting their links in the description down below so you guys can check that out. Again, the pretty knife, the pretty wooden case, and then the awesome wireless Qi charger. Most likely this is probably like a 18-watt brick probably. And I like how it does come with a USB Type A and a USB-C port, so that you have the option if you don't want to use, I guess, that specific ending there. So again, guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here signing off. If you guys like the video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you guys like the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.